Hi, I'm Josh Nelson with Technology Information Services. I'm here today to show you how to use an iPad and the Unimag 2 reader to accept credit card payments at orientation. In order to accept credit card payments, you'll need an iPad, the Unimag 2 reader, which plugs into the stereo port on the iPad, and a wireless internet connection. Please be aware, if parents or students choose to pay with a credit card, that there will be an additional 3% fee added to the total of their purchase. Once you've ensured that your iPad is fully charged and you've inserted your Unimag 2 credit card reader into the headphone port, you're going to want to make sure that you're connected to the internet. So if you're not familiar with how to connect to the wireless internet, first thing you'll need to do is go to the settings. Once you open settings, you'll want to click on Wi-Fi. You'll see a list of networks that you can choose from. You'll want to choose the appropriate network for your school. Once you've typed the password in, click Join. And then you'll get a little check mark next to that network, and you'll also see up at the top left corner the symbol for showing that you have a connection. Then press the Home button to get back out to the main screen. The next thing we'll need is the SchoolPay App. So simply open up the App Store, go to the search area, and type in SchoolPay, and select the SchoolPay mobile terminal. Go ahead and click on the icon to download it. If you are prompted for it, enter an Apple ID. Then hit on the Home button again, and you'll see you have an icon on your desktop for the SchoolPay app. Before you open the app, though, you will want to make sure that your volume is turned all the way up. And then go ahead and open the SchoolPay app. If this is the first time you're opening the app, you will get prompted and asked if you would like to allow SchoolPay mobile terminal to access your microphone. Click OK. Once the SchoolPay app opens, simply log in with the email, username, and password that you have been provided by SchoolPay and click on Login. Once you log in, you will see all of the items that you have available or have created at your school. Click on any item and then select the circle to the far left that appears that looks like a credit card being swiped. This will take you to the virtual office terminal. Select the appropriate item that you wish to add to a student's account from the drop-down. If there are multiple items here, you can type and it will filter out the different options. If the item has been configured for a student ID, you can select that at this time. And then you have the option to either add this item to your shopping cart and continue shopping for additional items, or you can simply proceed to the checkout by clicking on the checkout button. You also have an option to buy for another student if you were trying to sell the same item for multiple students. Once you've decided to go to the checkout screen, you will be prompted to proceed to step 2. Click on that button. And at this point is where you will swipe the credit card. First, you will need to select what type of credit card you will be using. And then you would simply swipe the card and enter the person's zip code. And then click on Process Payment. If the card will not swipe or you are having trouble getting it to read the information, you can simply click on Manually Enter and then fill out the appropriate information. After you enter in the credit card information, please capture the zip code, but the street address is not necessary. Once you have entered all the information, click on Process Payment. Once you have clicked on the Confirm button, you will be taken to a page that says Payment is complete as long as the transaction was approved. If it was not, it gives you an error message saying that the payment did not go through. If the customer would like a receipt sent to them, you simply click on this button next to where it says Payment is complete, and you can email them a receipt. Simply type in the customer's email address and click on Send Email. And this will send them a e-receipt to their email. Once you have completed that, you can simply click on Return to Virtual Terminal, and start the process all over again.